Good morning, students. I hope everyone is safe. So, already successfully we completed our three lessons. So, this is our fourth lesson that is called as plasma membrane. Our fourth lesson is plasma membrane. Already we discussed about the plasma membrane in the lesson number 1, first lesson. So, plasma membrane is the outermost layer of the cell, outermost membrane, which protects all the internal cell components. So before discussing about the what is plasma membrane, what are the functions of the plasma membrane, we will discuss about few things in a lesson, few activities. So this is the table they have given in the page 1. So here, what are the substances and should go into the cell and should go out of the cell. So whether required for the cell or not. That one we will discuss now. You see the first one is oxygen. Is oxygen necessary for the cell or not? Yes, it is necessary. Why oxygen is necessary? Why? Because oxygen provides energy for the respiration. Oxygen is required. So oxygen should go into the cell. It should go into the cell. Then glucose. Obviously, glucose is a part of carbohydrate which provides energy. So this glucose burns with the oxygen and provides gives us energy. So glucose also required. Glucose. Then proteins. Yes, proteins are the building blocks of our body. They help for our growth. Okay, so that's why proteins are required. Then fats. Fats also energy producing substances. They produce more energy than that of the glucose. So that's why fats also required. So but fats are required, but their amount is very less as compared to the carbohydrates. Fats also energy rich substances. So fats are required. Vitamins. Yes, vitamins also required which protects our body from the various kinds of diseases. Then minerals is calcium, potassium, magnesium. They are all minerals that are required for our proper functioning of the body. So these are all are required for us. Then carbon dioxide. Is it required? No. So it is not. It should go out of the cell. So carbon dioxide is produced at the time of respiration. Oxygen will be utilized and carbon dioxide will be produced. So this carbon dioxide should be sent, should be go out of the cell, sent out of the cell. And then one waste. The waste materials are they are produced, they have to be sent out. If they are present in the body, automatically you get the diseases. Example, it may lead to the death. If the toxins are not sent out of the body, it may lead to the death. So that's why the waste materials and the carbon dioxide they have to send out. But you see here carbon dioxide in case of plants, in the daytime they need carbon dioxide. Plants they need carbon dioxide during the daytime and the night time it should be passed out from the cells. Okay. So this is about your first table. See now here what is the purpose of giving this table? We have to know which substances should be enter into the cell. So how these substances enter into the cell? So they are entered into the cell through the plasma membrane. So other activity we will do now. So I cannot show you simply I will explain. You go through the textbook and listen. The second activity is take 300 ml of beakers. 3 beakers. Take 3 beakers. They have the volume of the beaker will be 100 ml. 100. Okay. Then what you will do? Just you take 100 ml of beaker in each, 100 ml of water in each of these beakers. Beaker 1, 2, 3. Just you take the 100 ml of water. And just you between all these three beakers you take the 100 ml of water. Then what will happen? Just put 1 spoon of sugar in the first beaker, 1 spoon of sugar. Okay, here 1.5 spoon of sugar. Here 2 spoons of sugar. Okay, and stir well. And stir well. Just you taste it. So which one will be more sugary? Obviously third one. Why? Because the amount of the water quantity is same, but the sugar quantity is more in the third beaker. So here what is the sugar and what is the water? Sugar is called solute. Sugar is called as solute, whereas water is called as solvent. So this sugar solute dissolves in the solvent and form a solution. If the solute percentage is more in the solvent, then it is called as saturated or concentrated. It is called as saturated. Means it contains more sugar. For example, taking these 3 beakers, this third beaker contains more sugar. So it is more saturated than these 2. So to become it less saturated, what we have to do? We have to add more water. If we add 200 ml of water to this, again because here these 2 concentrations will become equal. But here water concentration will be more, and the sugar concentration will become less when you add the 200 ml of water here. Okay, ma'am? So when the solute concentration is more and the solvent concentration is less, then it is called as saturated solution or concentrated solution. So to make it dilute, you have to add water to it. Okay, here solute means the solid part of the solid substance which dissolves in the solvent is called as the solute. So another activity they have given here, that is with the help of why I am explaining is all. In the next session I will explain. Just you take a beaker and here you take some amount of water and put a dry kishmish or dry resin. We call it this as, and leave for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, when you observe what will happen, the kishmish will be swollen. It increases in its size. By absorbing the water from the beaker. Okay. So automatically the size is increased. Right? You understood now. So just now what you have to do, take a beaker and take sugar solution in it. Saturated means it should contain more sugar. And same this resin is there, the swollen resin, just you keep in the beaker and leave for some time, nearly 1 day you leave. And you observe. When you observe again, it will become, its size will be reduced. That means the size will be shrunken. It will be built. Why? Because the solution, the sugar solution, it absorbs the water from this kishmish. Okay. So when the dry kishmish we kept in the water, it absorbs the water, it will swallow its size. So same kishmish when you kept in the sugar solution, so it shrinks its size. What is the reason? So this reason I will explain in the next class. By that time, once you think why all this